Hello, this is Jerome Surilia, and today I'm going to share to you the stamp sheets that I bought for my post crossings. So come, I get closer, let's have fun. So this is one of the, let's say, pinakabago na stamp here in the Philippines. Akala ko nga maglalabas na sila ng ng Christmas stamps, pero hindi pa pala. This is the ASEAN Post Office General Headquarters. There you go. Medyo super late na siya. Yung mga ibang ASEAN, naglabas sila somewhere, I don't know. Forgot na kasi tinatanong ako post crossing ko. This is 16 pesos. It's kind of huge, kaya bumili din ako ng dalawa para sa post crossings ko. And then hindi ako sure kung magkano talaga yung pero bumili ako ng tig 12 pesos. Pero bibili pa rin ako ng mga stamps para naman yun sa ihuhulog ko na thank you sa papa ko at kay Tita Annabelle, and then sa birthday ni Ate Jen for this coming January. By the way, this one is Tagum City, 25 years. Yeah. And then lastly, this one, definitive stamps na tigwa 1 peso. This is Philippine South Sea Pearl. Right. Kasi 14 pesos lang ata yung or 15 pesos. Laging sobra yung hinuhulog ko o binabayad ko sa post office. So, yan po sila lahat. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.